Now show your hand. We take her now, okay? Yeah. Watch carefully. 1, 2, 3. How did you do that? See, it was a plain stick and she gave me a stud. Now we will try. See, on this side there is nothing. Okay, madam, now your hand. You just do this. You get one here, one on the other side. Come on, clap for her. Now we got one here, one on this side. Madam, show your hand. Oh! It became 2. So 2 on this side and only 1 on this side. Madam, now you show your hand. You just do this. It becomes 2 here, 2 on the other side also. Now, all 3 of you together. Just blow. Oh. Thank you very much for the nice magic.